Dodo.
To me, the road markets baby ko
markets be also complete to a call.
A board and the whole goes on and ya beji. Kaswa kwansi. And ya beji kwano so because of.
But how do we solve the Kaswa problem? What fast maba? If say in so to nanu de. The asa yewo. Ekwem honum.
Oh, me for me dano. Me for me dano. Na you see, man, it's a Friday Sunday ye kan ho asem. Me patcho a horse local assembly wo. When they issue a building permit, a man ko focus si dan e wo sa be pon. When they issue, it will sit dan no, asebe na mo ka kire no. A dan be na yesi within 2 days. Even 1 day, e bi ni ho. Yes, yeah.
My better ha ka kire say. As we speak now, the catch the biada at least 3 times a year. As we speak now, Odi wani kire aboko bi. Udi wani bejina blaje, udi wani bejina aboba. Ekwan no ho ensuo yiri fa ho nyina no. It's been developed. Nobody is talking about it.
O kano and a Friday ni ye ka ho asem no. Obi send me dim yinu. Say empanifo bi a property wom.
But that's the point because ensure for more, yes ensure for more. Ensure for some kofo na e wo sa bia on e bit on diapers, e bit on tiles, e bit on cement, e bit on ensure. Ensure for more. Every time ensure no be yiri sa bridge ni be yiri ni bia no a free steel region be fa be yiri bia yiri form.
Me I think say we are acting as if we say we've been overwhelmed by responsibilities. Say I see you see you intimi nye ese ni pombe ye.
We've not been overwhelmed. We've been careless. We've been careless because we continue to be the beneficiaries of the system. Yes, idea
of a broken system.
Of course. Of course, when you patch or you mend that system, na correct. Majority of Ghanaians will enjoy.
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly. That's how we are building. Because Godwin, Godwin, every bra, many fee am kochra dia, the year national service count. You catch your own sem, and this 6 months, it is 3 months.
Yes.
Yeah, regularize it. Yes, say. IPPD. Can you imagine that time, you know? As we speak, DC4 and MC4, any whatever, for 8 months, they've not been paid. Because system, so ghost name is being room, we Ghana, we don't improve. That's the problem. We are developing in circles. Because of Gordon,
if not retrogressing,
well, retrogression will be too harsh.
Oh, why not? Where has any part 275? As I say, assemblies now say,
Achia, maybe they say Achia. It can easily be corrected.
Okay,
but correcting, essence, correcting. Few people, they want majority of us as Ghanaians. Because I tell you, this is the country where KVIP crown is I'm paying 80 KVIP. This is a country where 6-seater toilet facility. Aji a try ma broni ebe donatima Dominic Mukrum for ko 6-seater. 6-seater. We are accepting the fact that is not a reality that you play that second fiddle. Debia dano ye duplicate no. We don't really want to be the real people. Debia dano asi ashe ehibi asi mo. We really don't want to come up and say, Yensu, we are capable of doing whatever we want to do.
I agree with you. Let me say, you pay a non-performing system.
That's my point.
What I say, a non-effective system.
Because we have a system. Yes, Brejuma as a public servant. Brejuma non-watching and a non-watching payment. Wo baba bedu adwuma eye non-dum pemu anadu baako ubenu non-dum pemu anadu baako ni wia na wasa pon afa bag 2 p.m. na adwuma no hye mu na so pon 5 p.m. This is people that are serving the country.
Me bacho me try no share any daily graphic.
Yeah.
Me story bi o baby.
Mo pe daily graphic.
Ai. Bacho mo fama ni enka story.
Yeah.
Government chief statistician.
Yeah.
Was say public servants of Ghana.
Yeah.
They are overpaid.
Meba.
Na yeda ma me read the story ni yam say, papa asmo wa kan die. How can it tell me they are overpaid?
Okay.
Me kan story no was some year job evaluation. Adwuma nipa dodo na wa public service mu omo they are not worth 3,200 cedis a month. Ejuma na omo ye no pay ejuma omo ye no omo delivery no output no they are rather worth like 1,200 or 1,500. That is the system. Until no obi kwa ejuma you try to cut 3,500. Yeah, expect this obe work at optimum level be deliver the money maybe. But instead of working, why 3 hours? You calculate the person is worth 1,200 cedis a month.
Yeah, but the point is that Ghana Betianica, whether one call, now that the road minister has to go to Adomako Collins, Adomako constituency, friends say, honorable Collins, if you just not or construction. Can you imagine that bridge? In Ghana, near the services of say building inspectors or whatever or assembly on them no. Bridge na ni na so a bridge na big much me.
Agboba kwen so walking. South Wisconsin University.
Yeah.
Now we Agboba.
Yes, now Agboba.
Efifini ho bi no.
Yeah, atutu basa.
Adentra.
Yeah.
Hwe wo fa Gimpa bypass.
Yeah.
Anu ho kakra no. Less than 100 meters. No 50 meters.
Yes.
But for more than 3 years,
that is the problem.
Story nini.
Yes.
Page 16. Public sector workers overpaid. Government statistician. The government statistician, Professor Samuel Kwabena Enim, has said workers in the public sector are generally overpaid for work done. For work done. Operational in room. Work done.
If you look at the work schedule, Sika de mo na broso.
A broso. What say? The government statistician said averagely public sector workers were paid double for their output. He has therefore called for the creation of a public productivity committee of parliament to work like the public accounts committee and ensure that ministries, departments, agencies and the public sector in general deliver output commensurate with their earnings. Baby was saying delivering his inaugural lecture at the University of Cape Coast last Thursday, Professor Nim said while earnings average about 3,420 cedis for the public sector worker, output in the sector average about 1,420 cedis, less than half the earnings.
Look at this.
It was so big when you trying to car at 3,500. Second, be maybe I could do certain level. But a Juma now warrior no calculate and the person is well to be paid maybe at less than 1,500.
But Gordon, Opa call almost most of these institutions. Any people back just for reporting sake, and that's it. Any people back just for reporting sake.
That's the issue. And they are effective.
Yeah, effective because on my nankasa cry ye mushi and yemfa bibia nyashi.
God respect to mine.
Tie. One mama time so we do me fear 7. And I mention mama Mr. Mankwa me board chairman Jifanku time. Say shebe me Dominic Gordon be by 8. It means me do no 9. And now on so ma time so we do no 12. Shebe when come at the 1 hour. It was the traffic be account. She change see develop. Gordon be do come and instead of 7 no I be do be 8:30. It what break is a chain na me dey call Mr. Amankwa ho no. Na
Mr. Amankwa
so break is a chain. It one dey break chain.
It's a bedroom second musa ba could be 5 o'clock. E mu ti bi nsia no. Yes ade echi.
Ya say bibia.
You see, dey be na me madam for bi hia e wo baby akodi nkomo. Na ye ka say be hia 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Me by 12:45 na maduru ho. Me kwai me tikem. E ball 1 me so enche obeduru ha. About 110 na me friend no I'm just talking now hefa was gee I dey here am so hefa na wo was a metika mu odua na say am say hefa was ha say wo no kwapo bedru jame.
That's it.
You know yeah me makodru 15 minutes ahead.
Yeah
one so kwa 30 minutes but unim the unfortunate Ghanaian mentality one minute e one so tim say I can't do it meant man friend. It is still my quantum quan still say oh
late.
My be late. And it's any money idea a higher say.
No more baby who are God in a idea betting me correcting easily. For instance, it's as a tomba nipa as I say back a tomba nipa do. I didn't see the cost. I didn't. As a muda hope fail. Teach any animal buchino. One of the consequences of my sofa. And Sasio Mabato Ghana. it's about 2 weeks, 1 month.
No, almost
so the impression and the a certain perception they have, they say, Sebi Ghana for Binomun and the Ghana for the Donano, Sebi Omuye, Sebi SC4.
Now, when you say I didn't cross, I say, okay, yeah, you look like a home. Interest rate cost.
Yeah, because as I say, what
the assassin who documents the crowd bank is how the copo besia. As I say, documents the butan, I can tell you, banks and the budget, but
that's it.
The only confidence we know, say documents no come that you tell prove say ya the ampa. Because one you careful, abusua baako. We are to a man, no matter what spy.
And this has
been, say, million out of my, but anyone
this has been happening. Gordon, Sabesi and Navy, I make say, as I say, no credit, oh my God, and Titriu, and Cramsey.
What started land the project was started basically no. We can't, yeah, that's also fine. And to know a man say, ya. Obi free baby Ghana mayen.
But that prescription is say anya ya adwene ya. How anya ya adwene be ni?
Okay, me momu de make am punishment. Nipa bia wo that e kakra say bitima bodam. Say nipa wan che no rules. Wan me na hu say punishment wo hono mu a ononya leeway a de obetima ye bi opeso ye. Say etibi punish ye ho. Yetimi panisi will be one nurse with me say why issue building permit or share site no as an way issue yetimi panisi that officer for negligence. What I say another relation of duty yetimi panisi no next person tia obey careful yetimi panisi konfo a ye de area ahye mu yetu mu ka e be problem yes that panisi ye ho.
But how would you see Gordon meni wadwuma ye de bia me ka che meni obi that we have a certain responsibility. Say you be making sure say baby and no matter how better. Sometimes your family, your friends, your colleague, your ba, your papa. But that's the job that you decided to say. And we have the backing of the Constitution that as you see, bold, fair, and objective in matters of this sort. So question is, central funds, gatekeepers, no. How well are we helping the cause of Ghana? Because clearly, sometimes we all, especially journalists, we are falling and we continue to fall short of the glory of Ghana.
Oh man, is it?
Yeah.
What can media seminar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think say we are can say crampo obnoxiously arrogant. Yeah, you're so arrogant. Na a bon. Yet we are not helping the country because Yakuja Benkum Yaku Jennifer. It is a mimija Benkum na dena affect Benkum as a chinchina pampi. And let's not forget to say, even though media do not anymore Guasica Ghana, no, and we must say it, still now for confidence in us. Confidence that's what GD, so what in radio so. See a case CSC into a GD. What they say ABC News na report ye into a GD. I said we can we must go back to the basics. They act as journalists. Instead of politicians in journalistic castles. And now yeah. I didn't have been quiet fan to Binkum. I didn't define ye fan to define. Seki yeah wake one boom. I didn't cry. And can people in authority make any people in authority because obi on my way see you a private company, okay? Yeah, and your public service, but authority be at the bonibi abekano yesu. Eti politicians and kwa na emma journalists bebre enyo modwuma yi and conform what influence including asofo, including ahemfo. What I say, including us, including him for, including business owners. Omutimi, aye bibiana, omo samba yintiminga. Of because we must admit it. Yakatuanye.
Very bad.
Aye very bad. Yakatuano, enye. Who the aye kwa still enye? I'm telling you. Uko media houses are. Ebe benya bia nipa be 3. out of 40 staff o market trend ye kama na sa tre no mo na woso FM o mo ko fa news ba no mo de enye no wa woso na waketu aye no o mo na be process ade nyina da beto
ani ma wako anim
eti chaff de bro bola goods and services de bro na wo wako deliver e ko for so jiwdi o man ko for jiwdi eti
so there's a missing link
oh eti ya nhwe ni mabi ya na output no baby bebre eto bi obo se wo hu story bi o pepem ana story we kwa different asase story wakwaji edi abusan ba akosika
asase
na waje story one tie different person asase story
asase
story yeah na you ensemble
and the police is also getting itself in that situation. Very murky situation.
No. Madam, all have sinned. None is guilty.
Oh no.
What just say? I didn't know be quiet, Bonnie. I think say last month. Police obia kwakoye asase ho asemu ewa amrehia side ho. Na headquarters see yanko fanemra. Wonam kwa mu de na kwa na divisional police commander say yan fanemra. Oman regional headquarters see yan fa nipa kwa police head office. Na divisional commander so no so hia nipa kro no. Ni na ni interest ni say.
Ah gosh.
What you say? Tito be be kan crash wa as story boy wo di akire kra no enkofu be interest nti. Knock a hit a snag. Okay,
so 4 minutes after 3 Asempa Ekosiisen 94.7 and Chebiamne Gordon and then me boni because I'm too much. Gordon be page munafe. Ekriaboachiwa Asukodo a lot of revelations number up and ministry so I can say ojanu yi ebe brain. God me compare this about me back. 3 things here wrap up. One, Adjust for has come out. The latest would be my 2. Central Region, Chairman Kutin, key soap, the tradition has continued.
Okay.
And then 3, all this conversation about hashtag Inya Bema and Kranzano. Is it Alex or the Alex, right? Alex and Sono.
The police in
yes, or no, Sono. You have an update on that. But Mamika will say quickly, we have to be responsible citizens. Not just bibi keke. Unu say enipe kobi, onipe bi nana montu ne kasa ne nsusuye. Ohwe ni trimpone and nyoma bi a oye ye na. Nipa bi abehye fie bi, nipa bi butu baabi. Won nyoma omo ye nyina no ade a enso ani na ha adwene amesere. Ohu biribia na waka bibi. Report quickly to the appropriate authorities. Very very important. If we say ye wo Ghana ba kope and we are now the eye of the whole world in terms of asumdwe and the bambo. Timoma yentimi nkura mu pampe na bibi yentimi nko kama emfa mai. Mesro if you run a driver for school for yenso essential for asofo imam for sheikhs for madaroma Ghana ni biano ma one obambo ehia kese said the beya butimi ehunu bibi na waka bibi dia boa eye on my Ghana make I na agbeve for me koso enka say ene de one day agbeve herbal tea na ba ne tonic so aba ne fever so aba ana ne typhoid so aba e bia ne juma e didi boa eye ni padua no odi wani kire herbal shop ana say pharmacy bia na obenya bi 0246 595256 and 0208130790 na watimine agbeve dwumeko di eyenkita ho agbeve herbal center agiatum say wire se fie ana betima frɛ won wo 0246595256 o hwere cha kwa so tum last stop e hona obehuam koginim de wo Uniat ebra wo mount tie wo cyber security ni engineering ho computer basic and office administration just for 1 year na onyantetie sonko kra 3 months course so hodom Java development still graphics CCTV installation and management frɛ won wo 0547 966 966 na timi won ending kita ho na fe wakope oil out there starting week and no battery there speed mate battery and your speed mate oil irata motor so diaba woni je so di say juma we bi na tonto bi kra gina o manema wona e kra so no bi di juma say o pe bi so ato a o first number is where 0264 445268 and 0263 700 na watimi ne won edin kita ho ma bibia tima kokama Gordon after this yebekasa
Oh, me, company is a minyanti because ye trouble me, and then no. Ah, just my first baby could because me now for some time, you know. Me last intimidation, me the air for Sokura.
Na dia na mauna.
Ah, so we campaign. Now one to a course, Mamu. Mo panara chifuwa mo ti won mo a mo bu asa de bedi akon mo bo machiri no ho nye me wen
no so why dey
ah na sa de bedi akon ti won mo wo ka de won no iye won no na ya won di central region so di o bo ni kire mo keke kan ti mo kuno no o yi ze jama aye friends say we ti radio so kasara ha je say aye friends di bia abai abaso
ti asarbe chama ti asarbe dia ko
chama me ma free mu why me jiri se ade kwa pushi ma ukọ eye first da so beti ne mpandifo bebredi nkomo ma mo mitiri mum eye scientific base into no chairman e ma congratulations why
FM scientific clean is bye scientific base we am so ya se ma mu nye yi sa no politics intino Ubia no can be beach ubisa. Me, I'm not that type now. More movies this kind of when you man. Me this rough. Me, I'm not that type. More come once a while. I was a moving year. Because the Omukaka in na me to say a buy. So go prasta na se one cement and can a yanwa. Wouldn't you bet you we central region sembe no munka maka bibi wo ma ya po ho mu nyina no ye friends say party mu nti no mo tmesi dai bibiri ni hon man no mo edakra no mo ye bia ye
chama me jiri say we no election no aba na wie ni aka ye enkabo mu a
nti hu wo mo keka no ye friends radio so no will be because of politics nti no ye tori ani ye di obi atem politics because of politics nti will be accepted where your friends say work fiaka I mean count on me kurano it's any family dey work on kurano bi ni fie wo di dinzi hunu sa no wo me type wo fie wo mo sem genya na wo keke kan no wo me sa no
chama me giri san komo we dia mentime no nto aso yem fancy ha na da bi ano ya hye owura so ano ya hye chairman
yes
Otemenka. Nsem na wo kan bi ano ye hye
bi ano ye hye hu se omo betra mo radio nso no mo kan obi ho atem a e wo se omo ye se ku kaka wo wo se omo ye bi da kra je nipa na omo kan ho atem no wo nu kra woni mo no in the first place atare bedi akwa wo kan
Asempa FM
woni me e bi a woni me di amimi ni mo no menini nshia nkasa adakra in my life. Now, man, in St. Diana, who can go radio. About me. You only me. Me, my bomb, a bit of you. My last house crime is in 1995. My property, my last property crime is in 1995. That's it. You know, one radio is no more kata. One who is any homo kata. And I say, Yana, be no, Yana, Katentino, or Mutimi, a Kenton visa, agree as a
chairman, one more contest we or my for congratulate you.
Oh, yes, you near your friends, after Thompson, you know, officially, not a easy. I'm a boy, crying, or Munina, but congratulate me.
Oh no, Chairman Kuti ndi twa pa so born in India.
Oh man. Oh, na mo fa no and na opada mu dia da say dey.
Yeah, it's a production team, that's exactly what they do.
Ba say me ba man ka say we ka ho. We man bushi me.
What was the challenge for this?
Oh, man say me see anopa na me say na me studio. Enti production ka so central region na aka. Enti na say omukoti for weekend. Enti chama kuti na we ni de so mo frɛ no na of course any need nkombo set senior ade ena do de ka odo to abontini na metagas na nyewe nko a ebi ka ho okay na penfo be sending messages so I should respond na me respond also o start to make us be agro kwa na wodidi nti wo se wo a me ba mu poka so chema congratulations na you see this because be agro and I must say it indeed chema kuti mi nshia ne da
but for the records if I don't did chema kuti
that's the question I have to ask him met challenge he should prove to me God na sare be dia ko say he fa na me didi chema kuti na tem but so me and I me na multimedia say okay enye ba bi media house biana because obel say me you man efe but me man me unfettered access to your first studios me can boiling point me can national agenda so e be kan wa me this case no ba bia bi
no
say predictions say dey research na pick us up on ho yeah data wo ho and 4 regions greater central region, eastern region, and furnace Ashanti region. Abem 3 abem central region pena MI ebaya chemakuti wini no problem. So me ye researcher must I necessarily know you? No, but to go on the tangent to say me did watem me can want some money me patcho me did watem and I must put it on record to say chemakuti me did watem.
That's the first
you will not won't na apart for the fact say
no
me na panyin no me call me chia betin
me say
me did chemakuti atem
me name the people who communicate to people when we talk on the radio
and people and
see we wasema no obama me supercharger number
what I say
this is as a result of nipa binimu a de bia dom hinted du akiri a amanyo sem adidi omutirimu a asem ne kura won mpeti o na on di mirika kontema kokasa
chaso wusu asem edo chaso wusu wa this of se jona asem bae na meka ho asem
why
na obi afa da chaso mi na chaso kon kranza na obi afa chaso wusu say ana chaso wusu now then why they Gordon na say there was Gordon na what radio su edidi what was agodi de mimia na bibia nipa wot mi nyesa and then nyame cha de chaso wusu efrem mi ankasa me ocha me I saw the other loudspeaker to afre ya me pika me mimia na te say look at you say what say what of afre mimia I don't know na was asem bia Martin say na Debbie me mpo me catch am go for say chaso wusu Sir John said be as a lawyer of his stature yeah qualified to be on the Supreme Court na ni bi wo free mu no ne well was say chaso wusu anyi na busuani chaso wusu onye lawyer wo chaso wusu onkuta the master's degree wo na was say chaso wusu koye one of my executionists to execute me well and confirm fensuya de se wo no bi nante a no fredie ani wo buo ana ho brasie ne nipa ko nante na nye se busu ani kwa na obetima ahwe wo yie me ka we nyina nipa ko akọ twist asem no till Charles asked me mesre politicians and will be racing what tools will be say because say yeah busem
it's true
but you don't come on air and I'm sure me dey ha me kwa boni say no wo kan seven producer the property say 95 na me na pokwa class pokwa bear from one I say you
no
etichema mesron me nka se me de me ho toto I know your pedigree minim suban minim se be brawa bo se all ship say all ship e dia eti me made me ho betoto and it's not about your private life it's about your political affairs authority ukuta central region and I must say it.
But truth is that Chairman Kutin a public officer.
Yes. Because
of MPP chairman now the central region. It is difficult for Chairman Kutin to win himself away from criticisms.
Yes.
And the chairman, as I say, a Mautias. Yes.
I was a Mautias.
2, even your party MPP, they do a lot of research and scientific input and yes. So research you cannot take away from it. So if you disagree to a research there, you don't come after the person. No, I'm a journalist.
You don't do that.
We do that thing all the time. We do that all the time. But I'm happy that you are not proceeding. But you have drawn attention. Especially you have never for the records. And for the garden, I know I don't think that you sit on.
But Matisse, look, we can't millionaires was central region or Munis can't or count. But I did be one Mr. Chairman. A brand the chopper no pa new biampuna eboya de bo hia ne chopper ko butuka opa fache. These are the kind of things I said on air. And for Chairman Kuti so be babonten I mean denigrate me and the whole cassette I said about me so that enya no kure. Chairman Minyeo.
So that's it. Chairman Kuti na winning central region.
You see, Chairman Kuti winning central region.
We winning central region.
But MPP must make central region as special case. I am telling you, Oman. Say Oman to me are reconcile central region year 2024. Seats now munya no 2020 no ebeko form. Oh, and this is June, and Mopa marking to her. So, man, young munya may our central region. A leadership problem. At the Cronin Mama 2020, MP Nana bet me, MP bet me lose seat. Okay? Now, President the Kufado, and winning by more than 5,000. Central region, quite as animals, baby, is out. It's a move for quite dream. Fine, but maybe the research report be troublesome, and if you take that one as an insult, then I'm sorry.
What's the latest on Joseph?
Oh, I just the same or and so that's a camera.
So at the end, you ministry.
No, ministry at the end of the day, public feedback to the president. They say Adjosafo must be relieved of her position as the gender minister. Now, no one can say na kwan and question the banner was sent home for no. Oh man. Obaba ko hon fa no a also near time no hwe no president should relieve of the position na ne hon ton because ministry no enough for more gender ministry social protection and then kwara o magye kwan ho afa nyina wonam wo driver wa anya careful okukum obi ba ye besre president MPP a party of in quotes we have the men and mayen ka say mo bobo 90 minutes. Ronaldo Bobby. Wapra 55th minute. More 90 minutes to go. Ronaldo yeshano sattles. Na 70th minute aba betwam. 80th minute. Time of replacement baba. But media for close to 1 year. Adjosafo nkwa adwumada. For close to 1 year. She you deny him Director of Communications. Edelete ne ba board.
No.
Me who not chedi.
The Juma ne
So Director of Communications.
Oh yeah, dear.
So President release here so on the deba.
Nanti Adjosafo communication over my.
Ah, they can't be answered about communicate. You as a communicator, you communicate what you've been told.
They know yo.
What to be young? That's what
no they know yo. What time is?
Oh yeah, one night. Director of Communications winning.
Minim, I don't catch him.
Sir. Omanpanyi to kwan.
Yeah.
Omanpanyi je program ni mpanfo di ehia ni di nkoma. One a truck nkomo no ho e de ho de wobeba beto abonti.
Okay.
Nti one mess ati yeah this feedback we so man say.
Asempa FM.
See the esi kono. For me it is not good.
As Director of Communication, I don't want to miss one Kasanche man benze de Ekosiisen.
See let's walk on you know if I release it.
But the impunity is too much. Dominic, can say Gordon, yawo.
No, but that's not impunity.
No, it's impunity.
Sir.
Clearly so.
On whose part?
On the part of the president.
Oh, okay.
Of course, on the part of the president. Now, God, nothing. Saying here, no anuntia, the whole of this country, no, it only takes Adjosafo to manage that ministry for us.
Why? So let me catch you say. By August, I know if you need to
oh.
August, I know near July, I know near June. June, you 1 year. Omanpanyin feedback na ban say change Adjosafo intentem. It is not good for your reputation, President. That is the feedback out there. More be and now changing another day. Ghana kwanya social no di first ana. Say on ko better gender minister ana. Even attorney general better change no. Why you to be change no? Why? Enti omanpanyin wani de ya score marks wa bontin wa mamu a ya no wobetime nya triple F e wa Adjosafo nko ade no omanpanyin is not good. Sesa no. Any people brave one bemo on betting Potomaco is someone conquer Jumano. It's the end of the best. It's not good.
Dominic, check the national service personnel for me. So much echo now. There be 2-3 months in Chiomuka.
No, it's not true.
No, just this morning I spoke to the vice president of the service.
Was it 3 months?
This is the 3rd month of Murem.
Just this morning. Yeah, because and
just this morning.
And this morning too. Yes, no be a dim
commercial.
Hey, not necessarily you know I can turn it.
On a couple of 599 say I could fiancé kawi. I'm correct is it no. Yan kasasa but also mumuache. Oh say ya dia man no sem kura ya matro die about that level of your life. If you nipa be public office no na tro die a part of the life. Now if your mind and kasa no e part the perfume no the tro die and be sure man. This is a country ye breed dishonesty.
Na national service for say twa mu car. I don't know much more because you travel easy into but that is dangerous.
E bro so kra na crutch for kra di tro na national service for. Crutch for crutch for di tro. No man tete.
Who say anti bi sade okwacha de okewu na na nsai ne yenti omo de kokeji.
Yeah.
Na when was dey bi omo ho no ma na omo tonyum na a lion has a head. Speak and show that. A lion has a head, it has a debe. And we say do a be and we say and a very small waist. And that's a very small waist, you know. So occasion we say and a very small waist. And Kwame say and a very small waist. And it's open the child tree. Crazy for the child tree.
Crazy for child tree.
They are living dangerously.
Exactly.
We should call NSS for.
Exactly.
No more maye. And I must control.
On mining titi me catch you. Efa aketua ho nsem ene o man na brabo ho nsem no o man ntiti esi nto aba ho national service free da o de bia da. We've not rectified this challenge. We don't solve problems in this country.
But aketua they can't lie about it.
I'm saying that
and
we
they are
don't
divided.
solve the problems in this country. Na we onwa mrashe bedwam ade be ko na nyom wan tete mom koduro ade be ko kodu mrashe bedwam
omo say mai
this is white we say blue, this is green we say pink. The partisan nature,
but not
the partisan, my brother. On mine, a child say editoriality. That's why I keep saying that if we are not careful, but it's not encouraging because gradually things are falling apart. The center is finding it difficult to hold. If we are not careful, mere anarchy is going to lose upon all of us. That's the point.
Asempa FM.
Maminu, we are on this note.
And it's immediate national service and
we know we on this note.
Okay.
The cathedral, the president's pledge, personal one, and I say national pledge.
Say no, I think say.
Only Nyamin kita Yeni Swade who one in Yamia.
Agric Williams.
On mine, Yeni Swade. Which one is which?
And you know Swade.
So, Deputy Minister of Finance, Anna MPP Chairman, Okafo Didi, but Odidi or shared Yanya Odini ye. Catch your mommy. Deputy Minister of Finance, here Dr. Kuma, any chairman of MPP. Catch up say yes, I'm paka for the Baka phone to me chikusua chibumu a chocolate a spread and some fan for sugar a can say sugar bread move for planter margarine count for sardine and one and send we are for duty. What did he say?
And a baby also you move.
Okafo didi.
It be saben ye move him.
Okafo be koso didi because even 25.
Okafo is he who tell bubu saben and go for whom say we are insensitive.
Okafo be didi. Okafo didi say. Okafo ni dia kan sase udon ke twedi. Okafo be koso didi o. Okafo ni dia na kan sebi okra etimi. Yentu aketire sika. Yentu eye national service worker. A teacher for twi form bo. Ni nyina akafo be koso didi. Vi okafo no the sardine and no the corn beef. Or the awono, no the margin, and no the chocolate spread as awono, no the sugar bread, no a miemu no.
What did the Casamon?
Now you hear new live say prima.
Who think I said what did the Casamon?
What the first year?
It's immediate Nasa Cathedral, no, man. And now we shall better be can't was him. Made me point me. Parliament at your money shamo. Say, Omoma, almost say blank check. At the man, I buy say or found colon for quite the whopping. Omo man blank check because was it seed money man was assess what the beba and what they call him. But say about so a blank check no so we expect say we be use blank check no judiciously. Government must tell us say seed money to National Cathedral no e ye saying o man some ka say $100 million and on person dey support to National Cathedral no na ye tiase no problem. but seed money ayeni ma no de hu kakra enti mesre mukuta blank check no but munwini hu biem na mo fa ceiling do say so far as I said my say judges what dan ye bugu ya relocate almost say e kan nyina boma we think say betima use 100 million na support na cathedral then we go
all right
but ye nim de kwaso de it's not the best
but that's it
na me pastor me queen
yeah
nyame adoma chamu hume ukada so hume wa ha I'm telling you me kwase hwe so
oh okay
me kwase hwe so State housing. Now me kwase hwe so a
me won say mo de mo dan na saba back
yes
now no boss di nkomo social
me da say
yes me hu here
immigration for yes immigration service for yes sit down mo e wo se hwe so
mo ko promise nana woman kama
me da say wono papa no a visionary leader
yeah me also dey assase yantam bi ma mo
yes sit down na wie
mo wie
I'm telling you see 2020 elections omampanya be de chi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e ko launch national the tracker be project tracker and what can say state thousand was a see was hwe so ye si dan unfortunately yam say Sami Jefu nya a terrible briefing on it a press conference e ka say omampanya sa de no kan no de be de chi no na nya correct ye wie
mo wie
I am telling you
okay
etinyame adwo kuada me kwanye here
Jackson ya assign na ko check the truth in
nyame adwo the truth nyame adwo kuada
Jackson be di wachi
tie nyame adwo kuada interior minister e ko hobi
nyame adwo
comptroller general comptroller nyame nya comptroller general
akwa bacho bra
na me ba me the videos any pictures
yes you have to
am obi ahwe
mame mo na baso bio
yes
virus
yes
mame mo na baso bio nyame ni kwabna mpofo apia
yes
state housing penyimpa wa me hu sampa Ghana ni betumi aye
yes
na eye doable so atias enti baby abutu bia no ye bo abaso hwe na central for so dan e mayen
but what can't say what they are to abonte so
hwe na central for across the length and breadth of this country ufri atifi na akọ prayer na akọ mfini na akọ fra na akọ sentiment na akọ but sa hwe na
dabi
okọ ahafo a mebi monim ama nne monya asase wa ahafo mo de be hwe
central for yon kwa na ofri ho
dabi ye was central for otu timi ka se ba ni ba ya pa agwe
o kwa de go sit down o ma o
bacho ahafufu e wo yes na otu timi ka se ba ni ba ya za
okay so fra hafo
dabi me bacho December tie man December no state housing MD oni media soiree e man e wa denta ye satellite office
one satellite office
o ka che say wo ye wa man discount central for discount it is central ni bia o state housing dan o ba we have special discount man o man tie se momra
aya monitor ku abuacho a ode aba Asukodo na ono aja ode afa Agric Ministry emu no e fe keke de me de obutai no ho ne se oyi mu sinto ne momra ye na to
but you see me report no da metie na wa hu wo odi na mwa musa no wa hu no wa nka de ne wa kwa nwura mu
se no so hu asem kra ho na no pick up that story about a wedro
yes I will remember
of course eno kra wo de hangi honom ayabuachi bidi
me se nka buachi
na aya godin bidi Aminasi.
Eti aye ntimi mu. Wo so.
Bedasi P. Good. Eti. Wa wajibra utie bia 31 after 3 high